Coming up this weekend on Osiyo, Voices of the Cherokee People, learning how to make a traditional Cherokee bow from Cherokee National Treasure Richard Fields.
What's really the best part about it is you take it out there and shoot it.
Plus, Cherokee opera star Barbara McAlister.
I studied with the best, to me, the best there are in the world. And I'm able to give that now to the students I work with.
How her renowned international performing career brought her home to give back to her tribe.
Come on, Earl.
And we're off to the races with Cherokee horse trainer Dee Keener.
I train paints and quarter horses. My whole life has been around horses.
How he went from the pro rodeo circuit to the track and what it takes to raise a champion horse.
I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people.
Check Osiyo.tv for showtimes in your area.